Are the Honor MagicBook Pro good? Honor, once the rising star living in Huawei's shadow, is now an independent entity in charge of its own destiny. Currently, the MagicBook Pro is available in the UK for £749, along with a Magic Mouse and a Magic Watch 2, a bundle worth just under £160. The Intel-based MagicBook Pro is a carbon copy of its AMD counterpart. You can read more about its design in our review of the latter. This laptop has the same footprint as a 15.6-inch display, despite its slightly larger 16.1-inch screen. A quad-core Intel Core processor and a discrete NVIDIA GeForce MX 350 GPU replace the 6-core AMD Ryzen processor in this MagicBook Pro. Core i5-10210U is still built using a 14nm manufacturing process, as opposed to AMD's 7nm. Among its few bright spots is its 2GB GDDR5 dedicated memory, which makes the MX 350 an extremely affordable video editing laptop. The AMD laptop is unsurprisingly faster than Intel's. The 50% extra cores give it an unfair advantage, even though Intel can hold its own in single-threaded tests. Geekbench Compute, Passmark and ThreadMark all demonstrate the benefits of having a discrete GPU, even one that can be several generations old. Even more surprising was the battery life. It was, as expected, shorter than its AMD counterpart, but only just. At 416 minutes, compared with 421 minutes for the Ryzen version of the Honor MagicBook Pro, it should be adequate for most applications. According to Honor's literature, a cooling fan motor with a higher spin rate and 6 temperature sensors help to effectively cool the laptop. The AMD website describes the keyboard, display, and webcam performance in more detail. The laptop comes with a 1-year warranty and runs Windows 10 Home. An obvious competitor to this MagicBook Pro, Intel Edition, is the MagicBook Pro, AMD Edition. A watch, a mouse, and a pair of wireless earphones are included. Other than HP's Lone Pavilion laptop, there are no other manufacturers offering 16.1-inch laptops. Our final judgment mirrors that of the AMD version. The webcam positioning is a good idea gone awry. We appreciate the upward-firing speakers, the build quality, the freebies, and the fingerprint sensor. The next generation should include a 100 WHR battery, Wi-Fi 6, a 1610 display, a fast CPU and GPU, 32 GB of RAM, and a pair of NVMe SSDs in RAID 0. In order for Honor to move its MagicBook Pro to the next level, it must do more than play with bundles and pricing.